What's going on, guys? $65, man. Yeah, Amazon. They're worth it, man. Comes with the paddles and everything, so ready to go. Just blow it up. $65. That's still fun doing that, though, man. This guy and his.
I will never. This is me proving a point.
Don't go near the waterfall out there.
You can't tell me those trees don't sound like a waterfall, though.
It does. The waves are big. You want to go out that way? We don't have to go out in the lake, but you can see the waves. Look at them.
No, I ain't going out there.
No, we're not going out there. We could get around the bend up there.
Oh, yeah, I'm not going out there, though.
Yeah, you ain't getting in those waves in this, in anything, actually.
Look at them. Oh, my God.
The water's high in the creek right now. Those guys usually have a path to walk down over there. It's not there. It's underwater. Water's high.
Look, this water. Look at those waves, Kay. We're about to go in that man hill. Why not?
Yeah, so I bought this other camera that had these little tripod things in it for $3. I said, I'll buy this. I offered her $3 for the camera, and she didn't know the tripods were in there. And I got the bag, which holds all my cameras now that I use for.
Hang on, just now with the other camera?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go up and around that way, away from that tree.
Oh, I don't think I'm going all the way up there. What if I get sucked in?
I'm not gonna get sucked in. I'll show you. Feel it?
Yeah. I see all the bubbles from the fish.
You can see the city from here.
Feel the boat going on the little waves.
You don't have to.
Wait, you're not?
I'm going up there. You guys stay back here. I'm going to go up a little bit. I'm not going out there. Start heading back. Start heading back. Oh boy. What?
Ain't there alligators in here?
Yeah, big ones. No, don't go that way. Don't go that way. Oh.
Ooh, it's starting to lightning too.
Yeah, we're going back before it gets bad. Yeah, that house too's close to the edge up there.
Huh?
That one's too close to the edge.
Oh yeah, that one right there.
Oh yeah. As soon as I turned around, I seen that thing. I was like, oh, let's go back. What's that?
That your fingers don't wrinkle because you're in the water too long. They wrinkle because when they're wrinkled, you get grip underneath the water. I read it on a thing today.
Yeah, we're not far from the bridge now. Aren't these cool though?
Yeah, and I'm also all wet though.
Huh?
I'm also all wet.
Oh, you do get wet in these. But that's why they call it water fun.